Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Thursday, the 31st of January. As we noted yesterday, the euro moved to the highest level since November 2011 versus the US dollar amid worse than expected ADP employment change from the US. As many investors expected, the Fed will continue its QE policy until better employment results come out. At the same time, major European banks are releasing mixed revenue results, which are negatively affecting major European indices. The euro moved lower against the Swiss franc as the pair corrects the recent explosive rise and moves back to equilibrium. The GER30, tracking Germany's largest listed companies, has moved lower after worse than expected earning releases from Deutsche Bank. Some investors view this with a positive eye, however, as the industry can now focus on growth now that all the skeletons are out of the closet. Crude oil, currently at 114.86, continues its rally as investors put their confidence in a rapid return to growth despite lower than expected US employment data. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 135.35 with a preference to enter into long positions at 135.35. The dollar-yen pivot points at 90.75 with a preference to enter into long positions at 90.75. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 104.30 with a preference to enter in short positions at 104.30. The sterling dollar pivot points at 157.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 157.60. The dollar CAD pivot points at 100.05 with a preference to enter into long positions at 100.05. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot point is at 96.80 with a preference to enter into long positions at 96.80. The gold pivot points at 1668 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1668. The silver pivot points at 31.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 31.50. The US 500 is at 1490 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1490. And the UK 100 is at 6245 with a preference to enter into long positions at 6245. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In Europe, we have the German unemployment change forecast to rise by 9,000. In Canada, we have the Canadian GDP month-on-month forecast to rise by 0.2%. And in the US, we have the unemployment claims expected at 362,000. And our interesting pair today is the gold dollar. Gold currently at 1677 reversed its downward trend after testing resistance at 1654. The precious metal looks set to test 1695 resistance as news from the US comes weaker and investors seem reluctant to move away to riskier assets. Should the metal be unable to pass that critical level, we could see it slide lower. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.